Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Tinder. So for new beginners who just newly downloaded the Tinder's app and need to know how to operate it, it's very simple. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first of all, you have to launch the Tinder app like this. Then you have to create your account, go through all the old processes, right? So now I'm going to show you how to like people's pictures on Tinder. So just like this now, as you can see on my screen, you just have to swipe to the right if you actually like this person, or if you don't, you swipe to the left. You understand? Very easy. So if you actually swipe to the right, that is you like this person. The person will have to like you as well to actually get a match, right? So how are you going to know you have a match? You go to right there to your likes, and you're going to see or likes people who liked your Tinder. So you can now go to chat to see, and you will have a match. As you can see, I just had a match right now. You can see right here. So this is how it's going to look like when you have a match. Yeah, so in order to see other matches, you have to subscribe to Tinder's subscriptions, like 1 week, 1 month, and the rest of them. Yeah, if this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.